If your Google Drive is full and you want to delete everything at once, this video is going to show you the fastest way to do it step by step. Whether you're cleaning up old files, clearing space, or starting fresh, this method will help you remove all your Drive files without deleting them one by one. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Then sign in to the Google account where your files are stored. Once you're inside Google Drive, you should land on your main My Drive page where all of your files and folders are shown. This is where the cleanup process begins. Now, to select everything at once, click on any file or folder in the list. Then press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. This will highlight all files and folders currently visible in your drive. If you do not click inside the file area first, the shortcut may not work properly, so make sure one file is selected before using the keyboard shortcut. Once everything is highlighted, look for the trash icon or the remove option at the top right of the screen. Click it to move all selected files into the trash. At this point, your files are not permanently deleted yet, so if you need to recover anything, you still have a chance before emptying the trash. After that, go to the left sidebar and click on Trash. This will open the trash folder where all deleted items are stored temporarily. You'll see everything you just removed from your drive sitting there, waiting to be permanently erased. Now comes the final step. At the top of the trash page, click Empty Trash. Google will ask for confirmation because this action cannot be undone. If you're sure you want to delete everything forever, confirm by clicking Delete Forever. And that's it. Your Google Drive files have now been removed and the trash has been emptied, which means the files are permanently deleted. This is the quickest way to clear out your drive when you want a full reset or need to free up storage space fast. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.